Hey guys, this is Nanda from Nanda's Crafts, and today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. I bought these two glass bowls and the candle holders at Dollar Tree, and I got these mini styrofoams and the Christmas tree and these two little bears I got from Walmart, and I glue the pieces of styrofoam on their feet because I want them to be tall. If I put all the way down, then it's not gonna look as cute. I did the same thing with this ones right here. As you can see right there, there is the piece of the styrofoam. And I'm going to do the same thing with this right here. And I'm going to use another piece of styrofoam. And as you can see, I drew a circle right here. And then I'm gonna glue them on the top. And the Christmas tree is gonna be behind. Then I will cut the circle until it fits inside the glass bowl. And you're going to need the E6000 glue. I already glue mine, so that's what I use it. So after you're done glue, you make sure that you wait 24 hours until it's completely dry. And you're gonna need diamond wrap I got from Dollar Tree. Make sure that you have an X-Acto knife to cut the styrofoam, and then you cut pieces by pieces until it fit inside the glass bowl. If you're gonna do it this way, as you can see, my glass bowls is open on the top and it's just fine with me. I already glue these two right here. Now I need to glue the diamond wrap in here and in here. In here, as you can see, I'm gonna do with 2 rows, and in here is gonna be just 1 row. So I'm gonna put this away, and I'm going to use hot glue for that. So I need to find where I start. So I start right here, and that's where I'm going to start this other one. So now it's time to glue the bears in here on a piece of the styrofoam and the Christmas tree. And for that, I'm going to use the E6000 and hot glue. Okay, now I just need to cut this because it's not gonna sit all the way down inside. So I need to cut a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do now. quite yet because it needs to sit all the way in the middle. So you need to cut a little bit more. See, and there you go, it sits all the way inside. Now I want to make sure that I don't glue this on the back side, so it has to be on the front side. And now I'm gonna add A6000 here. And some hot glue. Look at how cute they turn out. Easy, simple to make it. Those little bears you can find at Walmart, and the Christmas trees at Walmart, or you can get mini Christmas trees at dollar store. I didn't find it any when I went to the dollar store, so that's why I got from Walmart. And they look so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!